The Samsung Galaxy S series has always been at the forefront of innovation, setting benchmarks for premium smartphones. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra on the horizon, expectations are sky-high. Let's explore the anticipated features that could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a game-changer. Design upgrades. Rumor has it that Samsung will introduce a flat screen with rounded corners, reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 20. This design not only looks great but is also more comfortable to grasp, helping to eliminate accidental touches along the borders. Plus, a titanium frame will make the phone harder yet lighter, giving it a high-end appeal. Display enhancements. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already boasts one of the best displays in the world, but the S25 Ultra is expected to push the envelope further. Imagine a display capable of reaching up to 3,200 nits for exceptional visibility even in the brightest sunlight. With sub 1.2 mm bezels, you'll get more screen room to work with, enhancing your viewing experience. Powerful performance. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, featuring unique Orion cores. This processor promises exceptional performance, potentially outperforming the A18 Pro and Apple's iPhone 16 Pro. With a 44 to 46% increase in power efficiency, longer battery life, and advanced AI capabilities, the S25 Ultra is set to be a powerhouse. Camera innovations. Upgrading to a 50-megapixel sensor for the ultra-wide lens will significantly improve low-light shooting and dynamic range. Expect better light gathering, reduced noise, and enhanced detail in dark conditions. AI-driven photo processing will further refine your images, making the S25 Ultra a photographer's dream. Battery and charging. While maintaining a 5,000 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra might introduce 60-watt charging, reducing charging times substantially. Battery AI will optimize power usage based on user patterns, enhancing battery life. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset's improved efficiency will also contribute to better battery performance. User experience. Samsung's One UI 7 is anticipated to bring a smoother, more intuitive interface with seamless upgrades, reducing the need for reboots during updates. Expect new AI functions and up to 7 years of software support, ensuring your device stays up to date with the latest features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to redefine what we expect from premium smartphones. From design to performance and camera to AI integration, this device has the potential to lead the market. While these features are based on leaks and rumors, they paint an exciting picture of what's to come. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Rocket!